Morning! Well, day 2 of the cruise vlog. We've just ordered breakfast. Well, what we did was we filled a card out last night. Unfortunately, Nicola had a few sherries. We ended up ordering masses of food, all wrong. So we wanted poached eggs with eggs Benedict. Hard-boiled eggs came. I was laughing, even the butler was laughing because she knew what we'd done. But it came and we've eaten it and it was lovely. Luckily the butler was very upstairs. She decided that we cocked it up and we wanted eggs Benedict, and that's what she'd done. So she made us those as well. So we ended up with a tray of like 6 eggs on, hard boiled and eggs Benedict. But it was, it was lovely. So that's what we've had for breakfast. Now today, we're at sea all day. I don't know if you can see in the background, you'd have to zoom in on your TV, I don't know how you're going to do that. But that over there is land, and that's the Bahamas. So we're cruising down past the Bahamas now. We get ashore tomorrow. I forget where it is we're getting, but I'll come to that later. I'll let you know later on. But yeah, so I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. Living like a king. Anyway, I'm going to roam around the ship today and do a cheeky ship montage. I better say that slowly. A cheeky ship montage. So this is where we say goodbye to the Caicos Islands. We're just about to set off now. We're just pulling away from the gangway.